Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Top Gear India, and what we have today is the all-new Mercedes-AMG A45 S4MATIC, long name. It's also known as a pocket rocket. It's also known as a hot hatch. It is the most powerful 2-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine that we have in the country today. We are going to take this on the racetrack, set some lap times, and also try and achieve the top speed. And before we do that, let me show you some cool features. And this will also make a big hole in your pocket. Let me show you now. And let's start with the grille. This grille, yes, it looks so much. It can actually scare you. And these are LED lights. These are air intakes. One thing, this is functional. That's not. Yeah. Let's move aside. And on top of the tires, these are the red calipers. There's the 19-inch tires. And it looks so gorgeous that perhaps you can take one to your bedroom. The two twin tailpipe measuring 90 mm in diameter, these tips are fake. So has a lot of things in the world, but it looks so cool. This is a 51-liter fuel tank, which means you have to make frequent trips to the fuel pump because this is an AMG machine. And this beautiful AMG steering wheel with Napa leather with flat bottom, and this galvanized steel with paddle shifters, and this rotary curve which can put you on the track mode the moment you want to do it. And then you get the Burmester sound system just in case you want to listen to a Jagjit Singh. And then you have the race start function, which means acceleration is faster through even faster gear changes. Another mode of the AMG 45 is that you get silent start. The vehicle always starts in a quiet mode. The loud, sporty engine start can be set up by pulling the steering wheel, gear shift pedal during the start process, and with that, it's time to hit the track now. So we are on the night tracks, and we are going to do top speed with the Mercedes AMG 45S 4MATIC, in short, pocket rocket. Mercedes gives you all the options: comfort, sport, sport plus. Race is what we are going to choose. AC is off. There we go. We hit the top speed. That's the whole objective. How much faster we can do, the better it is. I've done this before, but it's always heart palpitating whenever you are going to do a top speed, especially in these parabolic curves. Something will tell you to lift your leg from the accelerator, but that's where you have to really keep this in mind. The moment you lift it up, you lose everything that you have gained. And we've already touched 270. So guys, we have done 278. There's a speed limit of 280, so we have almost maxed it. Again, it's always a great feeling to do this. And whenever you get time, do come to the night tracks. In fact, if you want to come, we are starting something. If you have owned a supercar, fast car, any AMG, any M machine, etc., just drop in the comments, or you can write on the email that is popping on the screen right now, and my team will connect with you and will help you facilitate this process. And you should experience this night tracks, which is India's pride for all the petrolheads that I know of. It's something that you have to be here to understand what I'm talking about. Now, why should someone buy a car which costs so much money and looks so small? It's a hatch, end of the day. Because you know what an AMG machine is all about. B, you don't have a good parking space because you've sold off something to buy this, because you have to do that to buy that. Yeah, it will cost you between 75 to 80 lakhs. See, it can really go unnoticed. You will not be screaming of wealth. You will be talking to the enthusiast in a way where nobody actually, except the enthusiasts, know that what this car is capable of doing. So all these propositions really fit very well. And secondly, our country has a lot of small towns, a lot of small lanes, a lot of by lanes. So moving around this car would be such a breeze. Imagine driving a G-Wagon and imagine driving this on your city roads. What is going to be more fun? Of course, G-Wagon for its looks and for the butch nature it has got, but this is something which can really take you from anywhere to anywhere. Secondly, it has a good boot capacity, so you can really stock up and go over that Bombay to Goa kind of a trip. And don't expect a rocketing mileage, because this is a pocket rocket, which means that it drinks fuel as much as a camel would drink water on a hot desert. In case you want to watch a complete video of a night tracks of a AMG GLE 63S, click on the power pack on your right, because I've done that on the track just a few days before, and that's something that you'll probably like more, because this is a very cursory thing. We just get 3 laps to do, and that's not justice to the 4MATIC, to the pocket rocket that we have. Now, Mercedes AMG gives us the option of doing the 0 to 100 lap times. I'm going to do that. Manual start, build some race. 3, 2, 1, and start. No time I've reached 200. That's it, guys. This is really a pocket rocket in every sense. Anyways, we couldn't do much with this because we only have 3 laps. But whatever we have done, if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. I know you're not like too much because you want more. We'll get this car again at Top Gear Garage, and that time we'll do justice to this car. Until the next one, you take care, stay safe.